Hello guys, welcome to City Girl Gardening. I'm Dee, your City Girl Gardener, and tonight I made up a batch of my green tea drink as well as some homemade cough syrup. I have jarred up the green tea. I have put my labels on top with the date that I made them. The green tea is going to cool just for a little bit more on the table before I put them into the refrigerator. As you can see here, the onion and sugar, it has already started to make its syrup. You guys see that? So by morning, I'm thinking that this jar should be filled with homemade cough syrup. This is the one that has the garlic in it. You can see a little garlic piece there. But this is also starting to make the syrup. And I did label it onion, garlic, sugar syrup. Put the date on it as well. This is just the onion and sugar. And look, it has also started to make its own sugar. So I am going to continue to let those sit and do its magic. Again, this concludes my video of my homemade cough syrup and my warm green tea drink. When you guys aren't feeling well, you don't want to take a lot of medicines, I would recommend that you make up the green tea concoction, which is green tea, lemon juice, honey, a few tablespoons of sugar, as well as some of the menthol or lemon flavored cough drops. Allow them to dissolve in the green tea and enjoy this drink. Make your homemade cough syrup. Simple, onion, sugar, layer it, and end with the top being a layer of sugar. This is Dee, your City Girl Gardener. Thanks for tuning in, and good night. Good morning, guys. It's early morning. I got up so that I could check on Justin because he is sick. He stayed home sick yesterday from school. So that's also what prompted me to make my green tea drink as well as the homemade cough syrup so we can get him better. He's been complaining of headaches, stomach ache, feeling a little dizzy, and been saying his throat is hurting. So last night I gave him some children's Tylenol, and I made up my batch of the tea and the homemade cough syrup. I came so that I could check the progress of the cough syrup, and I hope you guys can see here that it is filled up to this point now with cough syrup. Each jar, yep, I hope you guys can see that cough syrup line. And they are making their syrup. This is the one with the garlic. You can see the garlic in it. And it is doing its job, and it's making the cough syrup. He is going to get some of this as well. I have warmed him up some of the tea from this jar. Got it good and hot for him, and he is sipping on that. But I do want to give you guys an update of the process with the onion and sugar, and sure enough, it is making its syrup as it should be. So I'm going to get ready, give him just a little teaspoon of this. It shouldn't be bitter or oniony tasting for him because of the sugar that's in there, and I just may have me a teaspoon of it as well as some of the green tea, because with me taking care of him and he is sick, my throat has begun to get a little itchy, not even just because I just woke up and checking on him and doing this video, but my throat, I noticed it last night was getting to be a little bit itchy. My husband said the same thing, because we have been in close proximity with him. He's 6 years old, so of course, if he gets sick and we're taking care of him, then most likely we're going to get sick, or we're going to have a little cough or something, because we're hands-on with him. But it is doing its job. Again, I would recommend that you guys do this. I searched for a recipe for the green tea. I remember seeing it on Facebook. I couldn't find it through Facebook because it has been some years since I saw the post, but I have been doing it ever since I saw it, making the green tea drink. But I'm still going to put a little recipe card together so you guys can see all of what you need to make this drink. And with the simple cough syrup, homemade cough syrup, you just use onion and sugar, or you can put in some onion, garlic, and sugar, and close the lid up and let it do what it does. Again, this is City Girl Gardening, and I'm tuning out for now.